Welcome to Amigo Medical System. So here I'm going to give you the demo of G6 model fetal monitor. So here we go. This is the power button. Switch it on by pressing long press. Okay, now it's switched on. It shows by green indicator over here. And this is the probe area. Here we need to connect all the probes. So since this is a dual FHR machine, we are having two probe slots for connecting FHR. So this is the slot for connecting FHR1 and this is for FHR2. And here we need to connect Toco probe and here marker. Moving to the printer session. So here we are having an ejection switch. Push the button so that the printer tray will come out. Place the CTG paper in the tray and leave a small portion of the graph outside the tray. So that should be exactly kept like this by placing this graph portion facing upwards, and we need to push the tray. So here there is an indication for error. So if the tray is not properly closed, then it will show a error here. Then once we push this tray properly, then the light will go. And coming to the monitor, we are having a clear 10.4 inches TFT LCD display, and here we are having some switches, some buttons, and this is switch. So the first button, it is for muting the alarms and all, and the second one is for freezing a moving wave. Once we start taking readings, we can freeze the moving waveforms. So that's for this. And this button is for marking the fetal movements and all. So this button will mark the fetal movements that can be done externally. And this is the switch for making the readings to 0. Before taking readings of the patient, we need to make the reading 0. So for that, this button can be used. And here, over here, we is having a knob, and this can be used for selection and can use for selecting any kind of options. We can move to many options by rotating this, and by selecting it, we can actually select the option. So that's it. And this button, it is for actually enter the patient details. So press this button, we can enter the patient details like hospital name, name of the patient, doctor, etc. And once we have done the entering details, we can click OK. So that's it. And this is the button for taking printout of the readings. And these two buttons are not relevant in G6 because this can be used when this is in the advanced version, that is G6 Plus. So that is both fetal and maternal monitor. So in G6, these two buttons are not required. So here, these are the accessories which will be consisting in G6. And this is a Toco probe. This is FHR probe. And here we are having a marker and one set of CTG paper. The belt for holding the probes, nerd cable, and a power cord. For taking readings, we need to connect the probes. So this is Toco probe. It has to be connected in this probe like this by placing the slot, exactly placing into the slot. And next is an FHR probe. This has to be placed here. And the next is a marker for marking the fetal movement, and this has to be connected under the Toco slot. So that's it. All the connections are done, and the readings will be given a demo mode. So here we are having a demo mode of showing the readings and all. So this is the reading for FHR, and this is reading for Toco. And let's see the menus over here. We can see a icon of home here, and that is the icon for menu. Press that. So we can see many kind of options over here. So the one we need to use is print setup. So here we can see a home icon, and that is for selecting menus. So go into that, and we can see as many of menu options over here. So these are the options within a menu option, and the first one is print setup. That is the thing we have to be used frequently. So select that. So here we can adjust the print speed like one centimeter per minute, like that. There are 3 options, up to 3. So we can select the print speed, then select OK. Then the fixed time is usually it is 20 minutes. That's usual delivery time. Likewise, there are many options, and the printer mode, we are having 3 modes, but for fetal monitor we only need fetal. The rest will be used for both fetal and maternal monitor, so that has not to be changed. And these are the options over here. Exit. And then the patient details option in patient, so this is the same goes for the switch over the right hand side, so that can be directly entered. So that's it. So here there is another option called review. Select that, and here there is an option called fetal review. So this can be used for viewing the previous records. So if we need to print that, we have an option over there like print, then we will get the printout of the previous records. And here there's a color setup, that just need to change the display color. That's not so important. Then that is display format. We can change the display format into digital, and if we need the waveforms, then we can change by just pressing that option. Then system setup and tools, that are not needed for the using. That's it. So that's all about the initial demo of G6, and thanks for watching the video. For any queries, please do contact our toll-free number 180041999606.